FluoRender tutorial. Grow ruler threshold setting. In this video, we demonstrate tracing single pixel structures using the Grow ruler. Open the example dataset called branches. We will trace the 3 branches in this artificially generated dataset. Activate the Grow ruler, click on the root, and hold the mouse button. We see that the automatically computed ruler captures the overall structure, but also has some issues. The ruler may not branch at ideal locations, and some extra short branches may be created from noise. We can generate a skeleton structure of single pixel width to facilitate the Grow ruler for more accurate results. Open the OpenCL filters and select the thinning filter. We'll need the filter to run several times. Set the running time to about 30 and click Run N times. Now we obtain the skeleton structure by thinning. Applying the Grow tool on the skeleton may cause another issue. The default size threshold for the Grow tool is 5, which can skip at places of this single pixel width structure. To resolve this issue, we need to set a smaller size threshold value. Close FluoRender and open the setting file, FluoRender.set, from the installation folder. The setting file can be edited using a text editor. Find the ruler section in the setting file and locate the setting for size threshold. Change the value to 2, save the file, and then close it. Reopen FluoRender and load the branch example file. Similarly, we generate the skeleton structure by applying the thinning filter multiple times. Then, we use the Grow ruler to trace the skeleton. Now, the new threshold setting allows the Grow ruler to connect small steps during growth. A more accurate tracing result is also generated. In summary, the thinning filter and Grow ruler allow us to trace branching structures more easily and accurately.